It's a semblance of finality. After 7 years after this heinous crime, 16 December 2012 was when this crime took place. And after 7 years, after many illegal battle, this conviction finally happened. And this sentence now has happened. So for the family, there's a lot of relief in terms of what happened in the court. The parents really broke down and started crying. And the mother, in a statement to the media, said that finally her daughter can rest in peace. So this crime really shook the conscience of the nation, and that is what people are also saying all across social media and elsewhere, that finally justice has been delivered. It might have been delayed. It might have taken 7 years for this conviction to happen. Remember, there were 6 accused, and in terms of amendments to laws, that also took place because one of these accused was a juvenile, and he was in fact even convicted, but then because he was a juvenile, he was then subsequently let go of. Out of the other 5, one had committed suicide, allegedly in prison, and the 4 would now be hanged. They have 14 days to appeal this particular decision, but it seems in all finality that this chapter perhaps could come to a close now.